Okay, so the first step is to open up KEYNOTE, and you're going to create a presentation by clicking the plus sign. Choose My Presentation, the one that is white, and our first step is to get rid of these text boxes. Just click them and click delete and they will go away. Second step is to open your photo, so click the plus sign again, photo or video, and then you are going to find your selfie in your camera roll. Now when you open it up, there's going to be white space in the background. That's because we have a square photo and a rectangular frame. That is okay. Keep that white space there. We'll crop it later. So to start drawing, you're going to click that plus sign again. You're going to go into drawing, and you're going to see it's going to open up a whole bunch of tools here. We have drawing tools, painting tools. If you click, you can also adjust the size of the brushes that you use. But we are mostly going to use that tool that looks like a paint tube. We'll call it the filler tool. And in order to use it for this project, we have to find our skin tone again. So we're going to click the circle with the colors, click that smaller circle on the right at the bottom, click that eyedropper tool, and then drag it and find the color on the tip of your nose that you would like to use, and it'll auto set it. Then when we go back into that paint filler tube, when you click it and drag the form, like click, drag a line, and expand, it's going to autofill that space. So what's really nice is that you can cover some wide areas, but as you'll see, it doesn't contour to every little edge, so you need to be careful not to go ahead and cover up something, no chopping off your ears, things of that sort. But it's really nice because you can use it to fill a lot of space. If there are areas that is not covered, zoom in with 2 fingers. You can open up the painting tool. You will need to set the color again, but don't worry, it should keep the color at the bottom there. And then you can carefully paint around any little edges that the filler tool did not cover. Once you have finished this up, yours will look a lot more complete and beautiful than mine. We're going to export the file, so click the 3 dots in the right hand corner, go to Export, Images. You don't need to adjust anything, so just go to Export and save the image on your iPad. And then once it's saved, go ahead into Google Classroom, find your class, and post it.